Alright, guys. So I've started recording this session. Okay, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right. So I'll share this particular project class document with the people in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Um, so okay. So yesterday we started understanding uh, like the pantaloons.com application, wherein we just started like understanding how what exactly is pantaloons application and what are the select products that we can purchase through product pantaloons application. Okay, and we also started understanding the technical terms. So we'll understand few more technical terms while we uh, say like explore the application. All right, and yeah, we'll continue the same today. Okay, and yesterday we understood these sections that are on the home page of Pantaloons application. Okay, and yeah, so the look brands you love. Okay, inspiration from the gram, that's Instagram. Okay, and I told you like Pantaloons gift card and the Pantaloons green card. I've just given you the uh, gist of understanding of this, but we have not understood what exactly these things are, like gift card and the green card. Today we'll understand it much better. And also, I've explained you once we install the application, what is the additional benefit that we are going to get on a briefer note. Okay, so and I have given the gist of understanding on these social media applications. And once you uh, join this fashion newsletter, what would be the benefit? Okay, and yeah, these are the I can see the what would be the exact understanding. Okay, so with respect to the how I can say like the footer of this particular pantaloons.com application. Okay, so if you go through all these things, you'll get to know, okay, what exactly is this pantaloons application. These are completely the footer part of this application. And if you go to any other um, page, right? For example, if I go to this women category and subcategory page, right? And if you go to the category page or subcategory page, you will see all the page that you see on the home page. Also, you can see it in the subcategory page as well. Okay. It is same thing for majority of the pages that you have in the pantaloons.com. So let us do one thing. Let us go to the home page and understand each and every um, this select a subcategory page. Okay. All right. So fine. Uh, if you see here, once you provide your email address and if you click on join uh, option, okay, you will be subscribed to this fashion newsletter. Okay, so this fashion newsletter, right? You will be getting the information of whatever the new things that is added in this uh, pantaloons.com fashion newsletter, and you will be shared all the information in the John. So like the email address that you are going to provide here and join over this fashion newsletter. Okay, and we do have certain information in this say like the what to say, I can say this smart kids wear benefits of this shopping with the pantaloons application. All these things we'll understand on a briefer note. Okay, so in pantaloons application, right, whatever the products that you purchase, okay, we can have a easy returns option. Okay, and you'll understand what is this easy returns option. These easy returns option are basically the products that you do not like, or which you feel that this product is that you have purchased using this pantaloons application. Um, okay, so if you feel that okay, this product does not suit you or if it does not set you, then you can easily return that product. Okay, so in order to return that product, okay, so this is one of the easy returns option wherein you can return the product that you have purchased the product. Okay, and you also have a, a support number, a customer support number, that is 1-800-103 and 7527. And this particular customer support number, okay, you can contact the customer support between 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And before 10 a.m., if you try to contact, or after 10 p.m., if you try to contact, will not be able to contact this particular number. Why? Because it would be select no more available before this number and before this time and after this time. Okay, and you see there is something called as free shipping. Right. So whatever the shipping information or shipping understanding that you get, it would be within this particular time and not before this time or after this time. Okay, and you'll not be able to understand what is the free shipping. And see, we have different options of paying the select the free shipping or the easy returns or the free shipping payment that you pay. Okay, you can pay it through cash on delivery. Okay, and whatever the payment that you make the payment pay, okay, it would be secure. Okay, and yeah, to make the payment you have the free alterations as well. So whatever the products that you purchase, right? So if you want to make any alterations on the products that you purchase, okay, you have that options of free alterations. Okay, and um, whatever the free alterations that you make, okay, you will be able to select, make that particular free alterations in a easy way and in a easily understandable way. Kindly give me a minute, guys. I'll just close the door over here. Oh, all right. So in this, say like options that you have, you're seeing. Okay. So women, men, kids, home, brands. All right. These are the different options that you can see. Okay, and you'll be able to understand once you go through all these particular options. All right. If you go a little further, okay, you can even say like download the application, and you can even understand like where exactly we'll find this. Uh, say like the what to say, the footer section, and also Pantaloons online store, best online shopping sites for the fashion clothings. So you will be able to see all the say like footer section, and where exactly you can download these um, the footer section, as well as uh, the application where you'll be able to download this app store, uh, or this particular application through the app store or through the Google Play Store. Okay, and also you'll see all the smart women clothing, smart men clothing, and smart kids wear, right? Benefits of shopping this Pantaloons application and Pantaloons app. all these information will be um, available in this, say like uh, the what to say, the footer page where you'll have all the information readily available. Okay, so and also you will see or you should be able to understand the privacy policy, the terms and conditions, and the copyright of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited, all rights reserved, and what are the different like download options, and what are the payment that you can make like through Visa, Master, UPI, cash on delivery, etc. And there is something called as this Pantaloons chat support. Okay, all right, etc. All right. So these are the things that we understood yesterday. Fine. So we will go a little bit in depth and understand what are the things that we can um, understand in this application, and what are the things that we can select, uh, purchase, and understand in this um select application in the footer section, right? So while explaining this application in the home page section, I told you, right, like uh, so if we go in depth and understand these things in the footer section, you'll be able to understand them in depth, and also you'll understand what are the actual things that you can get, okay, in this footer section. All right, and I told you like I explained you this store locator, okay, and also I explained you this store mode, okay, and as of now we are in the entire collection section, right, and this is a toggle button. So as of now we are in the entire collection toggle screen, and if we toggle this to store mode, then we will be able to see the multiple stores, right? And also I told you, right, we understood this store locator, okay, in the same way green card and gift card also will be able to understand. All right, so what is this green card and what is this gift card, will understand in this particular section. All right, so we have something called as Pantaloons gift card, right? So if we click on this gift card option from here, we'll be able to see the gift card option. Or if you uh, just give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry for that. All right. So once you click on this green card option or gift card option, you will be able to navigate to that actual green card and gift card section. And in the home page also, once you scroll down the home page, and if you see here, we have this Pantaloons gift card section and Pantaloons green card section. Okay, wherein we can understand this Pantaloons gift card and green card by clicking on this Explore Now button and read more option over here. So we will click on this Explore Now, and you see we will see the Pantaloons gift card option. Okay, and we do have all these particular information over here, right? So what is this Pantaloons e-card, okay, or gift card? See, Pantaloons e-card or gift card, right? It is a option wherein you'll get a different gifting options like your best wishes or birthday wishes or greetings, etc. Right? And this gift card details are in such a way that you can gift the users, those who use this Pantaloons gift card option. Okay, and the Pantaloons gift card details have a option of gifting the other users with a value of between 100 to 10,000 rupees. Okay, and the quantity you can select also. You can click on this select quantity. Okay, and you can gift the cards with this particular quantity. So enter the sender and receiver details over here. The sender details are like you can enter the sender details by providing the sender name, sender email address, address of the sender information, okay, and city, the pin, and the state, and the mobile number of the sender information or the receiver information. Okay, so now the receiver name, the receiver email address, all the information we can send over here and provide the mobile number, okay, and your message that you want to provide, and preview voucher. All right, and if you have a promo code, you can enter the promo code and you can apply it, and um, you can agree and accept and make the payment. And what are the terms and conditions that you can understand? All those information are provided over here. Okay, so these are the select Pantaloons gift card and e-card that you can create over here. Okay, all these information you can understand, and you can go through this terms and condition page, and you can uh, understand what are the information that you can see. In the same way, like whatever the gift card and e-card that you see over here, okay, you can see it in the home page over here. And if you can click here, you can check the balance of whatever the gift card and the e-card that you have created. Okay, so let us come back and close this gift card and e-card. And if you see here, there is a green card option also. Okay, and if you click on this green card option, or if you click on this read more option, you will see the green card information as well. And once you are in this green card page, like, you can see how this green card works. Okay, and if you want to understand the green card option, you'll have to sign up to the green card page. Okay, and how it works, on reward points on your purchases that you can accumulate and redeem, and unlock more rewards and benefits once you sign up to this green card option, right? And green card benefits also, you have, and also the frequently asked questions, the FAQs also you can see, and green card terms and conditions also you can see over here. But in order to see all this information, you'll have to click on this green card, or you can register through this green card option. And how this green card information or details that will work, all this information are provided over here in the green card um, information page. Okay, so green card benefits are also provided over here. So all you need to do is click on the green card, then you will get this information. And what are the say like green card purchases that you make, and what is the information, or what is the additional information that you get. So all information are provided over here in the green card page, right? So this particular green card information, whatever that you should understand, right? If you click on this green card in page, and once you go through these things, you'll understand what is the actual information that you, or what is the benefits that you're going to get. All the information would be available over here. Okay, so this is one thing. So we see something called as green card benefits. Okay, annual spends to maintain tab. Okay, so if you purchase the product up to rupees 7,999, and from 8,000 to 19,999, and from 20,000 to 39,999, and 40,000 plus, right? What is the additional benefits that we are going to get? All those information would be available in the green card page. Okay, so this is one thing. And validations, and there is a redemption of reward points. All the information you will be able to see it over here once you click on the green card section. And once you click on the gift card section, you'll be able to see the complete gift card related information over here. Hmm. Okay, so let me close this. All right, so These are the things that you can find, as I told you, green card and gift card. Okay, so now if you want to see the actual information, okay, of this gift card and the green card, right, what you should be doing is you need to sign up to this gift card and the green card, right? And then you'll get to know like how exactly this gift card and the green card will work, right? So whatever the rewards that you earn, okay, and whatever the returns that you get, all the information will be provided over here in the section called as gift card and the green card page. All right. So if you go through this green card and the gift card section, okay, you'll get to know, okay, how much you'll have to purchase, and for whatever the purchases that you make between this particular range, and what would be the reward points that you will be getting, all the information will be available over here. Okay, but since this is a purely hmm, how to um, say like like how it works and what all the information that you have, all the information would be in a text format. So once you click on this gift card and green card, and if you go through these things, what are the additional benefits that you will see, all the information would be available in the gift card and the green card section. So this is one thing. And all right, so now, all right, so we'll not uh, select go too much and understand over here. So what we'll do is, like, now once you click on this women's section or the category page or the subcategory page, what are the options that we see? Okay, so that is one thing. And now what we'll do, we'll try to explore the other options, right? Now we'll see, like, go to the women's section, and if we select the subsection, okay, now we'll click on this particular category, women category. And if we go to any subcategory of this women category, all the information will be able to see. That is one thing. Now, we will understand. Um, Select, if you see here, this is the pantaloons. Uh, Select category and the subcategory options. Okay, so kids, home, brands, beauty. etc. Right. And now, if you see here, there is a search option. Okay. Now, if you want to search for some particular product, what you can do is you can type it over here. Like, okay, if I input women or something, some additional information, right? So whatever the data that you want to mention, or suppose instead of women, if you say men and push enter, we'll see all the men's related products, right? So basically, okay. So what I've done is like I have provided the mobile number, and I have select. Can somebody help me with any of the mobile number that you people have? Because I've already used my mobile number in order to explore this mm, option of mobile. Okay, so can somebody provide your mobile number over here, or help me with your mobile number? Because I've already used my mobile number in order to explore this mobile number field. Okay, can somebody help me with your mobile number so that we can understand?
Okay, sir. 91
Okay.
48
Mhm.
94
Okay.
78
Mhm.
74.
Okay. So, in order to log in or register yourself to this particular Pantaloons application, okay, so all you need to do is you need to provide your mobile number, and you can click on get OTP. So once you click on this, once you provide your mobile number and click on get OTP, you'll get all the so like I think you should have received a OTP, right?
Yes, sir. 704
704
072.
072. All right. And I have provided the OTP that you have received, and I have selected Mr. because we do have an option of updating Mr., Miss, or Mrs. All right. So I have selected Mr. because uh, you have mentioned. And may I know your first name?
Ashok, sir.
Ashok. Your last name?
G.
G. Okay. And your email?
G. Ashok 0206
0206.
at gmail.com.
Okay. So now what I am trying to do is I am select registering Ashok with his phone number, with his email address, okay, and with his name, etc. and I'm selecting this and I'm clicking on start shopping. You see, now it says last name must be minimum 3 letters, right? Not less than 3 letters. Okay, so the minimum would be of 3 letters. All right. So, so the last name. Can you tell me your father's name?
Sir, Gangalappa.
It's
L-A-P-P-A.
LAPP, right? It's a Gangalappa, right? So now, once I click on start shopping, you see now your account got created, right? So now, where exactly we are in? We are in a option called as select my account, right? So now, if you see here, you can see your first name, your last name, and your select the gender, all right, and the email address that you have provided, the mobile number that you have provided, all the information are available over here, right? So now, since I have registered with uh, the name Ashok, right? Now I should be able to see all the information, all right, and we are in a page where it says my account. All right. So now you see under my account, if I mouse over on my account section, I should be able to see orders, wish list, product details, etc. So I do have a wish list option where I have already wish listed a couple of items. Okay, fine. So now, since I have already logged in using Ashok's information, now yesterday what I did, I was accessing the pantaloons.com website as a guest user. Now, today, what I'm doing, I am trying to use the pantaloons.com application with the registered user. So, the user I have registered using Ashok. Okay. So, now today we'll understand once I have select registered with the pantaloons application. Okay. And as a registered user, okay, what all the options that I'll have in the application. So all those things we'll be exploring today, right? So yesterday what we did, we tried uh, to mm, select wishlist the product as a guest user, which we were unable to wishlist. But now today, since I have registered as Ashok Gangalappa, right? Now I should be able to use the application as a registered user. What all the options that I will get, or what are the options that I should be able to use as a registered user, will be looking into today. Okay. So as of now, I am in the page which says my account. So as you people saw, like I have registered using Ashok's information, right? I provided Ashok's phone number, I used Ashok's email address, and provided first name and last name, and I have registered to the Pantaloons application, right? Now I should be able to use the application as a registered user, not a guest user anymore, right? So now, since I have registered to the Pantaloons application with Ashok's information, now I should be able to see like what all the options that I will be able to see with the registered user of the Pantaloons application, right? So now what I'll do, right? I just registered uh, to the Pantaloons application with, excuse me, yeah, with Ashok, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just go over here, I'll just log out, right? So now again, this is as good as that. Okay. I, uh, okay. So now I'm still a how to say, I am a guest user. But in now, if I want to log into the application, how I can log into the application? By clicking on the my account icon, and I need to provide the mobile number. Can you give me a minute, guys? Sorry. Okay. Sorry for that. Yeah. So now, yesterday we were using the application as a guest user. Now today we'll be using the application as a logged in user. So Ashok, can you tell me the number once again? 9.
91 48
Okay.
94
Mhm.
78 74.
So now, since I have already created the select registered as a user, now I'm trying to log into the application. So once I provide the phone number, now I should be getting the OTP. Can you please check your phone
Yes, sir.
whether you have received the OTP?
915
Mhm.
611.
Okay. So now I'm using Ashok's account, right? All right. So now I have logged in as a account, as Ashok, right? So now, if I want to wish list any particular product, right, I can wish list the products, and I should be able to use the product. So now, why I used Ashok's account, Ashok's phone number is I just wanted to show you people like how I will be able to uh, like register to the Pantaloons application. I use my account and my phone number, and I have already logged in or registered to the application. So, uh, in order to showcase you people like how I can register to the Pantaloons application, I just wanted to show you people. So I used Ashok's phone number, right? So now, since I have logged in as Ashok, okay, so I have um, select showed you like how I can log in, select register as a Ashok. Now, what I'll do, um, this profile details. Okay, I can add the address. Okay, so if I want to add the address, then I need to go to the address section, and I can add the address of Ashok, right? So in order to add the address of Ashok, I can select the current location. That is one way, or I can provide the address information and add the address. That is another way. So there are a couple of ways I can add the address of Ashok by providing the address information manually, or I can even add the address through the location. Okay, so um, so um, once I registered as a user, I should be able to add the additional information of the user by going through all the going through the account information of that particular user. That is one way, right? So now we will be understanding how the application works with the registered user. Okay, as of now, I have registered to the application as Ashok Gangalapa. Okay, by providing his phone number, and now, okay, for example, I'm giving his house number, okay, as 25, and street name as Rathro, Bangalore, and I've just provided some pin code, and so Bangalore's address. Now I'll say add address. So now what I have done, I have added a address. Okay, so now address is added for Ashok. Okay, now I have registered to the Pantaloons application with Ashok, the name Ashok. Okay, so now address is also added, and if I want to add some card, okay, some if I want to add a specific card information, I can do that as well. And I can even add a pantaloons credit as well. Okay, but I don't want to do that anymore. Why? Because I'm not doing it with my account. I'm doing it with the Ashok's account. So I don't want to add any additional information. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll uh, just log out as Ashok. Okay, so now if at all if you want to create or register to the Pantaloons application, I just showed you how we can go ahead and register to the Pantaloons application. So I have registered Ashok with the Pantaloons application. So I just wanted to show you how the registration will work with the Pantaloons application. So I used Ashok's phone number and I registered to the application. Now, what I'll do is, if at all, if I want to log in to the application, what I'll do, I will use my phone number. Why I did not register using my phone number earlier? Because I've already registered using my phone number in order to understand how the registration will work with the Pantaloons application. So in order to show that, I used Ashok's mobile number. Okay, so now in order to log into the Pantaloons application, now I can use my mobile number. So I just select. Already, I have registered with the Pantaloons application. That is the reason. In order to register yourself, how the registration will work, I used Ashok's mobile number. Now, since I have already registered using my mobile number, now I am using my mobile number in order to log into the Pantaloons application. Is it clear? So since my mobile number is already registered, so I did not use my mobile number. Okay. Fine. So my mobile number is already registered. So now I have logged in as Vikram. Okay. So now then, okay. So I'll go to any of the product. Select category, subcategory. Okay. So yesterday, as a guest user, was I able to add the product to the wish list?
No, sir.
Right. So now, since I've logged in as Vikram, now will I be able to add the product to the wish list now as a logged in user?
Yes, sir.
I should be able to do it. So now I have see add it to your wish list. Correct. So this particular product I have added it to the wish list. Correct. So you see now I'm having the option to remove from wish list. Correct. Since this product is added to the wish list, now I do have an option to remove from the wish list. Correct. So suppose imagine if I have not added a product to the wish list. I'll go to dresses again. Right. So this particular product is added to the wish list. And now if I go to quick view, correct, the product is already in the wish list. So now if I go to another product and if I say quick view, right? So if you see here, the product is not added to the wish list. Correct. So now what I'll do, I'll just close this. And if I go to this wish list screen, right, I have so many products which I have already added to the wish list. right? So there are 24 products which I have already added to the wish list, right? So now I can remove the product from the wish list. So as of now, I'm in the wish list screen, and from this wish list screen, I can add the product to the bag. That is one way, right? So now what I can do is I I'll go to some other product called as kurtas. Okay, right? As of now, what I am doing is I am in the page called as product listing page. Okay, so I have selected kurta sets for women. So now I should be able to see the list of kurta sets for women, right? So what I have done, I have in the product listing page, okay, the list of the product is the kurta, correct? So I should be able to see the list of product with kurta, right? So now I'm in a product listing page. Okay, you see, whenever I select a product, any specific product, now as of now, I have selected kurta sets. So since I have selected as kurta sets, now I'm in the product listing page of kurta, right? So in the same way, if I go to category and if I select any particular subcategory, for example, in category, I'm selecting sports and activewear. Now I am in the sports and activewear product listing page, right? So now I am in the sports and the activewear, right? And now since I am a logged in user, I should be able to add the product to the wish list, and also I should be able to add the product to the uh, what to say review and add the product to the bag. Okay, so in order to add the product to the bag, I should be first selecting the size. So without selecting the size, I should not be able to add the product to the bag. Now, for example, I have not selected any particular size, right? So now I'm trying to add the product to the bag. See, it is saying please select size. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll select the size of the product. So I'll say 34. Now I'll say add to bag. See, now I was able to add the product to the bag. Now, since the product is added to the bag, now it is go to bag, right? If I click on go to bag, see, now I'm in the my bag page wherein the product is already added to the bag, correct? So now, in order to add any product to the bag, right? So once I want to add the product to the bag, then um, I can once after I have added the product to the bag, I can go to the bag and I can see like this particular product is added to the bag. Okay. So in order to add any particular product to the bag, first what I need to do, I need to select the size of that particular product. So now what I'll do, I'll just delete this particular product. I'll remove it. Now there is no product are available in my bag. So now what I will do, if I want to add the product to the bag, what I will do, I'll go with the product listing page. So in order to go to the product listing page, what I'll do, I'll select a product or I'll go to the particular category of the product and I will select the subcategory for that particular product. So now if I say skirts, now I'm in the product listing page of this skirt, right? So in order to add any particular product to the bag, what I should do, I should select that particular product and I need to add back add that particular product to the bag. So in order to add the product to the bag, what I should be doing, I should be selecting the size of that particular product. So without selecting the size, will I be able to add the product to the bag?
No, sir.
Right. So we understood, like, in order to add a product to the bag, the precondition, in order to add the product to the bag, what is the precondition? We need to select the size, and then only we should be able to add the product to the bag. Without selecting the size, we will not be able to add the product to the bag. So that is the precondition. So now in today's session, what we did, like, we registered a user, and then we started adding the product to the wish list. Okay. Also, we added the product to the bag as well. Okay, from the product listing page. And in order to add a product to the bag, the precondition is we need to select the size, and then we should be able to add the product to the bag. If I have not selected the size, then we will not be able to add the product to the bag. But in order to add the product to the wish list, do we need to select the size? I think, see, I have not selected any particular size. Okay, and I am trying to add the product to the wish list. So without selecting the size, I should be able to add the product to the wish list. But if I want to add the product to the bag, then I should be able to adding the size. So that is how adding the product to the bag will work, and adding the product to the wish list will work in a different way. So there is no such precondition that is required. The only precondition in order to add the product to the wish list is the user should be logged in. Correct? So that is the precondition, right? So now if I go to bag, there is no product in the bag. So what I will do, I will go back and I will add this product to the bag. How I will add this product to the bag is I will select the size, and then I'll add to bag. So now I have a product which I have added to the bag, right? So what we did today, we registered as a user. Okay, and once we register as a user, we were able to add the product to the wish list as a registered user, as a logged in user. But we were not able to add the product to the bag without selecting the size of the product. Okay, so in order to add a product to the bag, or in order to add a product to the wish list, there are certain preconditions that we need to follow, right? So if you want to add a product to the bag, we should have selected the size of the product. That is when we were able to add the product to the bag. But if you want to add a product to the wish list, what is the precondition? We should be a logged in user. That is when we will be able to add the product to the wish list. So this is how the preconditions will work. Now, uh, yeah, since I am a logged in user, I was able to add the product to the wish list. And if I'm not a logged in user, I will not be able to add the product to the wish list. But if I want to add a product to the bag, what is the precondition? I need to select the size of the product. That is when I'll be able to add the product to the bag. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, today what we did, we registered a user, and we were able to add the product to the wish list, and also we added the product to the bag as well. And we understood how the registration will happen, and how the product will be added to the bag, and how the product will be added to the wish list. All these things we explored in today's session. Right. In tomorrow's session, what we will do is we will be select making the payment, or we will be checking out the product once the product is added to the bag. So, and also we will understand like what all the different payment methods that we have in tomorrow's session. Right. So proceed to pay, and we'll see like what are the different payment methods that we have in order to make the payment. Right. So once we make the payments, and then we'll be able to completely explore the application with payments page as well as the product listing page. And in product listing page, what all the other options that we have, we'll be exploring that as well. So what I'll do is I'll go to the pantaloons page, and from pantaloons page I'll just try to come up with the product listing page. So if I click on view all, I'll be in the product listing page. And in product listing page, we have some option called as filter by. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be exploring the product listing page, and then we will be purchasing the products, and we will understand what are the different payment options that is available, and then we'll be making the payment, and we will purchase the product from the list of products. Okay, so today we saw how the registration of the user will happen, and once we register, how the login will work for the user. And once we log in, we will be able to wishlist the product. Okay, and also we'll be able to add the product to the bag by selecting the size. If size is not selected, then we'll not be able to add the product to the bag. That is what we understood. And also we also understood how the registration and login will work for the application. Okay. And Ashok, so from now on, like whatever the number that you have provided, using that number, you will be able to log in directly to the application, right? So using your number, I showed you people how we can register to the Pantaloons application. Okay. So from now on, you will be able to directly log into the application you will, using your mobile number, and you will be able to use your registered mobile number in order to log into the application. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So any doubts in today's session, guys, like how to select register, and how to add the products to the wish list?
No, sir. No.
Okay. So I'll stop it here today. So the remaining part in exploring this application would be with respect to the product listing page and the product description page, and then making the payment for the product. And yeah, that would be the last part. So select purchasing the product, and we should be able to complete the exploratory in tomorrow's session. All right. So I'll stop it here today. If you have people have any doubt, you can ask me, or else we can wind up for the day. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Okay. All right. So I'll just stop the recording.